Hello there and welcome to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. I've got another balloon modelling tutorial for you. I hope you're enjoying these. I've got lots of balloon modelling tutorials on my channel, so be sure, check them out, have a good look. Some very quite complex designs, simple designs, some sort of intermediate designs, but do check them out. And if you like what you see, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It makes a huge difference, and it's your way of telling me that you're really enjoying the content and want to see more of it, and it's a great way to support the channel. So today's balloon model is a...
Go on, spit it out, man.
It's a croc, it's an alligator. It's a really cool design to make. It's pretty easy. All you need is just a single 260 balloon, dark green, light green, and a marker pen to sort of put the decoration on afterwards. So let's get started. So you need a 260 balloon. Leave about a good 5 fingers, maybe 6 fingers uninflated at the end from the tail. So what I'm going to do to start with, I'm going to just do a couple of really small 1 finger bubbles. So I want to do a snout at the front of his mouth, or her mouth. Oops. I'm going to take put the knot and tie that into the back of the second 1 finger bubble. And I can just feed it through there, also the gap between the bubbles, that'll keep it nicely in place. So you've got a kind of snout there. What about 3-4 fingers for the rest of the head? And then for the eyes, literally just a 1 finger bubble. A bit bigger than the 2 that you did at the front of the snout. And then you're going to lock twist those together. And so you've kind of got your front of your crocodile alligator. And you're literally going to do a very small 1 finger bubble. And now you're going to do a couple of flower petals, about 3 fingers deep. So that's one of the front legs. So it should sort of sit like that. Don't worry if the balloons sort of don't sit exactly where you want them to. Because at the end, you can do all of that, so I wouldn't worry too much. Don't spend too long. About 4 fingers for the body, maybe 5. Still should have a little bit inflated at the end. And you're just going to do the back legs in exactly the same way that you did the front legs. A couple of flower petals. It's about 3 fingers wide. And do another one. And there you go, you've got your crocodile. So he's on the prow. Now you can get your black marker and sort of finish it off like this one that I did. You can fiddle around with these, as I was saying, to get them exactly how you like. You might want to put a 1 finger bubble there, so the tail doesn't sort of skew the back legs there. But it's a really cool design. I hope you enjoyed watching this. And until next time, it's a goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye-bye.